So this is the WordPress Admin panel. From here we can visit sites. We will click on just My Sites, and here click on Visit Sites. This is the default WordPress site. It comes when you install WordPress for the first time. So later on we will edit this WordPress website, and this is the WordPress dashboard. The site health status. It tells you about the health of your sites. Here it shows should be improved. At a glance shows the information about your website content. Currently our website have one post, one comment, and the current WordPress version is 5.9.3 and running theme is 2022. And from here we can set a quick draft. So I will minimize this, and from that activity we can check what are the new activity happen on the website. It shows one comment. It comes by default when you install WordPress for the first time. From here we can approve, replay, edit, spam, alteration, and view. So let me minimize this. And in the WordPress event and news portion, it shows the upcoming news and events that happen in WordPress community. So let me minimize these all. And here in the WordPress update tab, we can upgrade our WordPress version, update WordPress plugin and themes.